Here's the taste test of Holiday Roast by Gardein. Gardein is one of my favorite brands of mock meat for vegans. All their stuff is vegan, and I just wanted to try this holiday roast to see if it's really what it's cracked up to be. And even though she's not gonna have any, she's pretty excited, clearly. All right, so that's what she wanted. We have Freddie here, who is a carnivore and meat eater, who is going to taste test it and give you his 100% honest opinion. And I will give you mine as well. Pepper will not know the difference, but she will be very interested nonetheless. Okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna try it without gravy first. It comes with gravy, but I wanna try it without gravy first.
I'm ready to try it. Do I just like grab it and bite it, or do I use the utensils from the spicy setup you got for me going?
Well, you can be some sort of civilized.
I don't want to. I just want to just grab it and eat it like a
It looks
pizza.
like, it actually looks like turkey.
Pretty good.
What does it taste like? Does it taste like meat? Does it feel like meat? Try it with gravy.
It has definitely the Thanksgiving taste.
Holiday taste.
Mm-hmm. And tastes like it has a, what's that stuff called? That crust?
Sage?
That crusty stuff that I like. What's it called? Gravy? No, not that part. Stuffing. Tastes like stuffing.
There's a lot of stuffing in there. That's good. How is it with the...
Seems to have made a mess.
Let's try it. With gravy bite? Mm-hmm.
Mashed potatoes.
I like it with the gravy the best, I think. It's supposed to have cranberries in it, but there's not as many cranberries as I wish there were. But it definitely tastes like sage and thyme and like the poultry spices, where it's meant to try to replicate a turkey with stuffing inside, and it, like, the texture is turkey-y.
What is this? Is this a carrot? It's like white. It looks like a potato.
Mm-hmm. Tricolored. Would you buy this again?
Sure.
Would you serve this at a Thanksgiving dinner?
For the vegans and vegetarians.
As a carnivore, you wouldn't want to eat this for Thanksgiving?
I would put it on my plate. I wouldn't be my sole purpose or sole meal. I would definitely eat it again.
You heard it first, ladies and gentlemen.
I don't think I was supposed to eat this part of the carrot. This doesn't look good.
You can eat it.
I'm cool.
Alright. We're gonna crack on and eat the rest of this.
Because I eat really fast and I'm trying to turn the camera off.
Alright.
Oh, this is Michelle's favorite dance. Ooh,